The LawLink. This is the Law.
And now, our feature presentation. And coming up this hour.
The Immigration Link.
And I repeat.
Immigration Link.
Right now. Wake up. Entertainment. Certified number one.
Immigration squeeze, man. Them man run things. So you want to look at things? The immigration link up on the real thing, man.
Now that's what's up.
An extended YouTube play.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's that time for the immigration link. Okay, and we're here. And we're
No
going to be.
sound.
No sound from
Now
where?
I'm fine.
Now you're fine.
All right, so just let everybody know. Let us know if you hear us everywhere.
Yeah, we got to engineer our own show.
Got to engineer our own show here. But we're doing immigration. And by the way, the telephone number to call, since I will be answering the calls while I do a radio show, while I do social media check-in, and while I engineer this. So call right now. We're just going to put you on hold, and we're going to get to you momentarily. The telephone number to call to get your immigration questions on the non-snowy snow day. Squeeze and I just took a walk outside. There's like 3 inches of snow.
I'm like, what the hell?
What the hell?
Which
I said,
genius.
Why are the subways closed down?
Yeah.
I think De Blasio wanted a day off.
Yeah.
I don't think he wanted to do anything today.
It's
maybe.
like, you know what? Give it a
Turn
whole
up the
stick.
volume. Turn up the volume.
Oh.
Ah!
Your microphone
my
was not.
microphone was not on. Of all the things.
Yeah, so they were hearing you through my
Yes,
microphone.
and that's why WVIP people didn't hear me either.
Oh, that
Yeah.
that makes sense.
That makes sense
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, that's what
Now-
happens when you have no engineers
No.
on a non-snowy day.
On a non-snowy, the non-snowy snow day,
Yeah.
as I call it. We were just outside. Squeeze and I took a walk. You could look on his Instagram,
Yep. Or Facebook.
our Facebook. He
Someone just keeps
videoed us
call-
in the street.
Yep.
And he videoed us at the deli.
Yep.
And I think one of the videos was
You got the right stuff.
I got the Pepsi.
I would have been upset with you if you had gotten the other guy. You know, because I have stocks in Pepsi because I used to work there. You know, so.
And then I got an orange.
Yep, you got the orange.
And then I pulled the Trading Places line.
Yes.
Right. I said, Squeeze, here's an orange. Okay, as you would find in frozen concentrated juice. Maybe
Yes,
you should invest
commodities.
Commodities. Maybe you should invest in that. And maybe we should get some pork bellies, which is bacon.
Yep.
I said, like you find in a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich.
Someone, the LawLink.
And he goes, okay, Whitthorpe.
That's it. and
He goes, okay, Whitthorpe.
Yep. And then Brad pulled a stunt, man. So I paid for the food and everything. You know?
Yeah, that was funny.
The guy handed back the change.
I took it.
And he put it in his pocket.
I
Because I did that to him a few months ago. So he got me back.
Yeah, but you still had $19.50.
But I'm $19.50 ahead of you.
So we walk into the store. So I said, Squeeze, it's your turn to pay. He goes, okay, no problem. And the guy says, okay, I got my Pepsi. Squeeze got his drink. I got an orange. It was very expensive deli, by the way, for when I think about it, for 2 drinks and an orange.
Yeah.
But it was $9.50. And Squeeze gives a $10 bill. And I stick my hand out and take the 50-cent change and put it in my pocket.
At least I got something for walking out here in the snow. There you go, de Blasio.
Yeah. But isn't this like a non-snowy snow day?
Yeah, it's a non-snowy snow day. I mean, I was expecting like that 18 to 24 inches that they spoke about.
Yeah, and the reason why we closed our office down was because they said the subways weren't working, and obviously they're not, and there's no bus service, there's no subway service. And I'm like, why?
Yeah, why?
Why?
We're still trying to figure it out.
Why?
But at least,
Right. On Squeeze's 1 minute video of us walking in the street. If you check it out on Instagram, and did you put it on my Instagram too? That would be nice.
but it's not going to allow me to share because I'm not an admin on your page.
Maybe SMG, who's an admin on both, can do it.
Yeah.
So on the video, if he's watching,
I hope he's watching.
I hope so. On the video, we're walking, and Squeeze goes, "What kind of snow day is this?" And I said, and then it's just me saying, "I wish I was on the beach in Jamaica." Right? Something like that. Something like that.
You did. Yeah.
Something like that.
But anyway, what do we do here?
I don't know. I'm letting you talk.
All right. So let me see if I can log
First
back
of all, I look like young Frankenstein right now because I have half a head in the video.
Which one?
Facebook. I will fix it.
Okay.
You talk.
I'll talk. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's rock and roll. This is David Squeeze Annakie, the CEO of the Link Up Media Group. And we're doing a radio show without engineers on this non-snowy blizzard day. Non-blizzard day. All right? We got about 4 inches or so or less of snow on the outside. Brad Bernstein is engineering. I'll put the camera on him so you can actually see him engineering over there. All right? The number to call right now to get the immigration attorney, Brad Bernstein, who is engineering, to answer your questions happens to be 1-800-529-5465. Call now, 1-800-529-5465. Y'all think he knows what he's doing?
No, I don't.
1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you stay tuned in. We're going to be answering your immigration questions. Yes, we are live. It's 10 minutes after the hour of 12, and we're ready to rock and roll with your questions. Do remember that you can ask your questions on Facebook. Yeah, David Squeeze Annakie on Facebook. Spar Bernstein's on Facebook. On YouTube, it is Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. And of course, okay, let me see.
How's that now?
I got it. I put one on hold. Oh, by George, I was able to put one on hold.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
All right. So once again, the phone number is 1-800-529-5465. No one specifically is going to be picking up the phone. You're just going to be put on hold automatically, and you'll hear us speaking in the background. Once again, the Immigration Link Show brought to you, of course, by Spar Bernstein and Link Up Media Group. Remember to share on social media. We want you to ask your questions on social media. So once again, Periscope, Spar_Bernstein, Facebook, David Squeeze Annakie, and the law offices of Spar Bernstein. But remember, share. All right, 1-800. All of you people on Twitter are funny.
Twitter's
Very funny.
Yeah. Brad didn't get his vitamin water today.
As
Squeeze is with his usual Red Bull. I didn't get the vitamin water because the place didn't have it.
Right, so
I had to go for the backup.
this is what he got. Yep, got his Pepsi. All right.
I am the voice of a new generation, Squeeze.
Voice of a new generation.
Yes.
All right.
Of immigrants.
You are right. 1-800. But by the way, folks, our morning show tends to have a higher rating, okay? And in the past, our noon show had a higher rating. We want to get our noon show up to the same rating as the morning show. And only you can help us. Only you can help us. So we want you right now on a non-snowy day, a non-blizzard day, just 4 inches
By the way,
and wind outside.
I see Rosanna is watching.
Hi, Rosanna.
She's in her bed right now.
I'm quite sure.
She called me at 6 a.m. this morning and said, Brad, there's a big snowstorm out. Should I cancel work? And I go, okay, Rosanna, I think, it's going to cancel work. Mm-hmm. And Rosanna, Squeeze and I just walked the streets. There's about 2 inches of snow.
Exactly, that's it.
I got talking about getting a snow job.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, we did get a snow job.
Yeah. All right. 1-800-529-5465. If you call now, we're going to put you on hold, and we're going to get you to get on the radio, just like this guy right here. Let's just talk to this guy here and show people
516 guy.
Hello, 516 guy, Mr. Long Island.
How you doing? Hello there.
Hey, good afternoon. How are you?
How are you, Mrs. Long Island?
Yes, Miss Long Island.
Miss Long Island.
I'm fine. How are you?
Good,
Wonderful.
good.
Actually, I'm calling to find out. I sponsor my husband. He came with a visitor visa.
Yes.
It's been a year now. I would like to know if he has to go back to my country and get his
Are you a
paperwork
citizen?
done.
Are you a citizen?
No, not as yet.
You're a resident?
Yeah.
How long has he been a resident? How long have you been a resident?
3 years now.
All right. Well, you filed for him, or you're going to file for him?
I already applied for him. It's been a year now.
All right. So yeah, he's going to get a visa appointment before you become a citizen.
Okay, no, I mean if he has to go back to my country before he get his paperwork done.
Yes, but if he goes back without a provisional waiver, he's going to have a 10-year bar. So he needs to do a provisional waiver so he can go home, get his green card, and come back.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right. So I would suggest. You know this telephone number that you called?
Yeah, what? No, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Save it in your phone. Call tomorrow. Make an appointment to come see me.
Yes, I did.
All right.
I
Fabulous.
already did.
Fabulous. We'll see
Thank
you. We'll see you
you.
shortly.
Bye.
1-800-529-5465. Brad and Squeeze here doing the U.S. Immigration Radio Show, and we're here, and we want for you to understand that we're going to be here until about 1 o'clock doing the show, powered by, of course, Link Up Media's 93.5 WVIP. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just reading. Carl Anderson, the Tiger, Afternoon Squeeze, still going strong. Yeah, Blizzard. Okay. All right, no problem. And Carlos says what we should come down to DR. He'll show us around.
I'm sure you would.
I'm quite sure. I'm quite sure.
I
hope we come back because I heard it can get very beautiful down there.
So for everybody watching on Facebook, please share with your friends and family. We're going to be getting to social media questions in a few minutes. Right now, we have a ton of calls on the radio. Absolutely.
Oh, we do?
Yes, a ton.
A ton.
Ton.
Really?
Yes.
Let me look.
There's so many calls. There's so many calls on the radio. I don't know who to go to first. Here, let's go to this call. Up.
Zero.
Up. Wait,
Zero.
let's go. Nope.
Zero.
All right, we're going to go to call 51. Nope, 51 is not there either. Meaning we have no calls on the radio right now.
So here's what, folks. Let me open up the phone lines. 1-800-LAW-LINK. That's 1-800-529-5465. I know we've got questions on social media, but we want at least 12 calls on the radio. So I'm going to give out the number for 120 seconds call because once it gets rolling, that's it. And we're going to end the show at 1 o'clock. We have better things to do with 4 inches.
Squeeze has to go shovel.
Yeah. I've been shoveling, all right.
Shovel.
But
it's not going to be snow.
Yeah. Snowstorm was a bust, someone said. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800. There goes one.
And why don't you tell people when they call, they're going to be put on hold.
Yeah, when you call, you're just going to be put on hold, all right? And you'll hear Brad and I speaking. So you're automatically just going to be put on hold, all right? All right, so 1-800-529-5465. So Mr. 347 or Miss 347, you're on hold. 323 number, you're on hold. 646 number, you're on hold, all right? 1-800-529-5465. Call now, folks. We're just getting everybody on the lines because we don't. 443 number, we're going to put you on hold. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465 to ask your immigration questions. Now, my head's cut off. That's 1-800-529-5465. What?
When you said you're going to do some more shoveling, Antoinette says, I'm sure he does.
Antoinette, you got jokes.
Boy, yeah, she was defending SMG this morning.
Yeah. She loves SMG.
Yeah.
We should pair them up.
Can we?
Yes, we can.
Is that ethical?
Of course it's ethical.
Yeah.
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 People meet people every day on radio shows, and it's okay. It's ethical.
Maybe what we should do is, like, as a promotion for USA Credit, is like if you call, you get in a raffle to go on a date with SMG.
That would be interesting.
Right. Whether a man or woman, we don't care. If you want to be in the raffle, he'll do it.
I'm quite sure now he's like...
yeah. I'm quite sure he would.
We got another one. I'm quite sure he's probably showing whomever he lives with right now. See what these idiots go on with every day.
He'll say, all right, whatever I have to do, if I have to take one for the team.
Yeah, it's going to take one. All right, 876, you just got put on hold, all right? So 876, you just got put on hold. Stand by. We're going to come to you first because you're calling from Jamaica. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-LawLink. That is the number for the U.S. Immigration Link, hosted by the attorney Brad Bernstein and yours truly, the CEO of the Link Up Media Group. Let's demonstrate what it is that we do here, but remember to share us on Facebook. David Squeeze Annakie, and also, of course, the law offices of Spar Bernstein. Let's go to Brad Bernstein, who is putting a call on the airwaves of 93.5 FM. Hello. Hello. Jamaica.
Hi.
Yes,
Hello.
Go ahead.
Hi, Brad.
How are you?
How are you today? I'm good, good.
How many inches of snow you get down there today?
In Jamaica.
No, I'm in Jamaica. It's bright sunshine where I am right now.
Come on, I don't believe you.
Ah.
I don't believe you. I think it's snowing.
No snow.
No
It's
snow?
sunshine.
I don't know. I'm looking out my window right now. I'm seeing snow. I don't believe you.
That's not
Okay,
true.
what's up?
Okay, one question I'd like to ask.
Number
If
seven.
you are a green card holder in New York, you want to go across to Canada, what are the requirements?
Well, you have to be.
Without a Canadian visa.
Well, you don't need a Canadian visa if you have a green card to the United States.
Okay. So what do you need?
Your green card. Actually, that's not true. They actually changed the rules. My
They did?
apologies. Yes. If you have a green
Okay.
card, you would need a visa. The only people who don't need visas are U.S. citizens.
Yeah,
So you
'cause-
would need a visa otherwise. So you would need to go to the Canadian consulate to get a visa.
The Canadian consulate in New York?
You would need to go to the Canadian consulate in New York unless you come from a country that has a visa waiver for Canada.
Right.
Okay.
You understand? In other words, I don't know.
Yeah, once upon a time you could go with your green card.
Yeah, you can't do it anymore.
Oh.
You can't do it anymore?
No.
Okay.
Just go get a visa
You
from
need a visa.
from
But maybe
the
you're from a
Canadian.
country that doesn't require a visa.
Well, yeah.
I don't know what countries don't
Yes,
require a visa.
Jamaica does require a
So
visa.
then you would
Yeah.
need. So then you would need.
You need to get one.
Yes.
And they will issue me one in New York.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for tuning in. Once again to the USA Immigration Link powered by Page 21. Let's go to another call, Brad.
Mr. 347.
Yes.
Oh, hi.
Mrs.
Hi.
Miss.
Sorry.
Hi,
Sorry.
good day.
How are you? Good day.
Question, like, if you're on disability and you owe tax, could you marry somebody and still let them to get their green card?
Yes, but you're probably going to need an affidavit of support from somebody else.
Okay, so this doesn't mean the person have to, like,
No.
pay the tax they owe?
No. Just make sure you're on a payment plan or you speak to Carmela in my office, who is a great tax attorney, and
Okay.
she can do an offer in compromise and try to wipe away the tax debt.
Okay,
All right?
thank you.
All right. The number you called, by the way, Squeeze, why don't you explain this telephone number?
Yeah, let me explain that. By the way, whenever you
Okay.
guys tune in each and every day for any show on the Link Up Radio, all right, and you hear law, all right, and you hear the LawLink or you hear the USA Immigration Link, the number that you're calling is actually the law offices of Spar Bernstein. It's not a radio show number. It's actually the office number, all right, but we point the office
okay.
number to the radio show when we're doing the radio show. So one number, that's all you'll need. Just call that one number, book an appointment, and you're good, all right?
Yeah, thank you.
You got it? Okay, if you got it, explain that to me. Explain it to me. Repeat it.
Okay, you said the number that I just called, like, it's the law office number.
Oh, wow.
Great. So
That's
now you have it
simple.
saved in your
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah, now you got it.
Yeah.
Boy, she was able to explain it in
Much
much
simpler than me.
you.
Yeah.
Can we? Do you want to come and take a job
Yeah,
for Squeeze?
take a job, especially on
Yeah.
a snowy day.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay,
All right.
thank you,
you.
guys.
Take care.
All right.
Boy, she was very simple about it.
I could get
Yeah,
different-
yeah. The number I just called is the law office number.
Other than a snow job, I could get different kind of jobs on a day like this, man.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, no problem. All right, let's go. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Make sure you call that number for the law offices of Spar Bernstein. Let's go. Hello? Stand by, Justina. Stand by, Adila. We're trying to get a call on the radio here. Hello there. 93.5. Hello?
Dropping him. Let's go to this one.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good
Hello.
afternoon.
I just need to ask a question. I put in my husband's paper from 2015 with a green card. I sent in all my documents, and I was wondering what is the next step.
Did you get it approved?
Yes, I pay for the visa fee, after the support fee, everything.
You did all that. Did they forward the case to the embassy?
Pardon me?
When did you file in 2015?
The 19th of October.
All right, so they're up to June 8th. So that's July, August, September. You're about 4 or 5 months away. He'll get a visa appointment.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
All right. Once again, folks, this is the USA Immigration Link powered by USACreditRepairInc.com. Let's go to another call. O'Neill Dixon, welcome. Anthony Jacko, welcome. All right. Let's go to another call on the radio. 93.5. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good afternoon, Brad. Good afternoon, Squeeze.
Good afternoon.
I have a cousin who has twin daughters, but she's been living here since 1996. So the girls are 21 years old now. So I'm just going to find out how long would it take for any one of those girls to file for her to get their permanent residency.
The girls are her children?
Yes.
And they're citizens?
Yes, they were born here.
Okay, where is the mother now?
The mother is living with the girls.
How did the mother come to the United States?
I'm not quite sure how she got here back in 96.
Well, if she got here legally on a visa, then she would adjust her status and she'd get a green card in about 6-7 months.
6-7 months?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to have her
call us tomorrow. Yeah, it's the number you called on the radio is the number for the office.
Same number.
Okay.
Great.
Same number.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
1-800-529-5465. Remember, you can ask your questions on social media. We'll get to it shortly. And remember, social media, Facebook, David Squeeze Annakie. Okay? Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. YouTube, Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. Periscope, and that happens to be Spar_Bernstein.
Hello.
Hello?
How are you?
Hi.
I'm good. So my question is, I've lived over 2 years, and I have my 2-year green card, which expires in December of this year. But my husband and I are separated, and he's filing for divorce. How would that affect me filing for my 10-year?
Well, you would have to
When
file.
my 2 years expires.
You would have to file on your own without your husband, and prove 2 things: 1, you are fully divorced, and 2, that for some period of time between the time you got your green card and the time you separated, you have proof that you and your husband live together. As long as you can prove you live together, and as long as you're divorced, you will get your permanent green card.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Shooting it. All right. Once again, folks, we are here doing the show on a
We're
snowy
here
day.
Doing on the non-snowy snow day.
Yeah, non-snowy snowy day. All right?
I mean, I turned on the TV this morning, and everyone's like, stay home. Stay home. It's dangerous outside. Oh, the world's coming to an end. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
You know what's ending? The snow.
The snow. And then Squeeze and I walk outside, and we're like, excuse me, is
This
there like
it.
3 inches?
I
of
was
it?
expecting, like up to my knee, like back in the days. Remember those days?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh, boy. Well,
God.
all I know.
I don't know. Everybody, it was
Wonder how much money New York City lost.
I just wonder, why they called this a snow day today.
Somebody just needed a day off. Because you would think with our technology, you could really tell exactly what's going to happen. You think?
This is not the first time.
No, it's not. And it's not the second time either.
It's not even the third time.
No, that they have done this to us.
They've done this to us, and they called like 20 inches of snow, and there was nothing.
Yeah, it's very sad, though, that they can't
The
get
roads
it
are very, very dangerous. Everything's dangerous.
Of course, everything.
I mean, yeah, it's dangerous. It's slippery outside. No question about it.
But normally the roads would be clean. At 3 inches of snow, it would not be anything.
3 inches of snow outside.
They would be clean. But now everybody's like, no, we're not. There's not even any. Anyway, let's get back to the calls.
What else? Who is this person? What can we
Hello,
do to help
what
you?
can we do for you? Ain't nothing going on but the rent.
Hello?
Yes, hello. There you go.
Hi, Squeeze. Afternoon. I never know it's my time. I'm Brad.
It is your time.
It's
your time to shine. What is it? It's your time to shine away.
Not shining at all. Nothing not shining.
All right, we're going to make you shine.
All right, what's up?
From 2014, my son filed for me as a citizen, but I cannot get no sponsor until now. And my daughter's sick and I have to carry her to a regular appointment, so I'm just scared and everything. I don't know what I can do.
So what do you mean you can't get a sponsor? You can't find someone to give an affidavit of support for you?
No, my son don't make enough money. Yeah, from
And you don't have
2014.
you don't have a friend who wants to help you?
No.
All right, go make friends who want to help you. It's very rare that you find a person who doesn't have family or friend who would just like to help somebody.
Yeah, so
All right, so
I
you
tried
get
to get my brother them to help me and they didn't help me.
Why wouldn't your brother help you? What's wrong with him?
I don't know.
All right, he
I
wants to
don't know.
hold you back. Then what a terrible brother. All right.
Yeah.
But find a friend or family member. Somebody somewhere in this world has to open up their heart to you and give you an affidavit of support, and you'll get a green card.
Yeah, so gotta put it back in, right?
Yeah,
You know, just open
then
it like that. I have to file that.
they could be anybody. It doesn't have to be a family member. It could be a friend. It could be an acquaintance. They don't have to. They don't have to even live in New York. They could live in Georgia. They can live in Florida as long as they're a resident or a citizen. There's
So if I get
300.
somebody,
There are 300 million possibilities. That's the amount of people who live in the United States. 300 million possibilities of people to give you an affidavit of support. You just have to make a relationship with somebody. They could be your friend, your acquaintance, your coworker, somebody. I've never heard somebody can't find an affidavit of support.
Wow.
All right.
So if I even get somebody, could I have open back that or I have to file over?
Well, you would file a new adjustment application, but it's not a big deal.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Brad. Doing a good job. Thank you.
All right. That's really just got to go out and make a friend.
Yeah. Someone said soda squeeze. I'm surprised. It's not soda. It's drugs. It's called Red Bull.
Squeeze. Red Bull. I'm surprised. Why not soda?
No, I don't like soda.
Squeeze. I'm very surprised. Why not frozen concentrated orange juice? You seem to invest in that.
I don't like frozen concentrated orange juice.
Did you eat pork bellies for lunch today?
No.
Did you buy your son the GI
I can afford to drink Red Bull because I take BioLife.
Did you buy your son...
Get all that crap out later.
Did you buy your son the GI Joe with the Kung Fu grip?
No.
Were you
go back in the movies.
Were you the guy...
G.I. Joe with a Kung Fu grip.
Were you the guy...
I watched G.I. Joe the other day. The show was good.
Were you the guy in the jail bragging about your limousine?
No. No. Talk about movies.
You weren't that guy?
No. By the way, folks, can you do us a favor? Can you share this link on every single one of your friends' timeline? You'd be doing us a favor. All right? We'd appreciate that so we can help some people. Because we realize people are calling and saying that you actually have shared on their timeline and they're calling to get their questions answered.
Okay, thank you. And were you the guy who painted a big S on the top of his Ferrari so everyone could go, look at that escargot?
That's a good one, escargot.
I know every line from that movie. It's my favorite movie of all time.
Mad, oh, mad, oh, mad.
Yeah.
All right. 1-800-529-5465.
Squeeze is trying to corner the frozen orange juice market.
I will. Yeah, gotta get.
Does anybody know what movie that is?
Gotta get your BioLife.
Does anybody know what movie that is?
Which one?
The movie. I just said about 20 quotes from it.
Yeah.
Besides you.
I wonder if anyone knows the movie that Brad is actually speaking about.
Yeah. Every word out of my mouth.
Commodities, pork belly, all of that.
Yeah.
You know. 1-800-529-5465. Anyway, it's 12:30.
Let's
One.
Oh yeah, so that means it's USA Credit Repair time. This has been brought to you by USA Credit Repair. Here for you today, there for you tomorrow.
Yep.
USA Credit Repair has people answering phones right now. Apparently, the USA Credit Repair people are so hard on their employees, unlike the Spar Bernstein people.
Yep.
But the USA Credit Repair people are very hard on their employees and made them come out in the snowstorm to answer the phones for people with bad credit. It's an absolutely free telephone call. There are people standing by right now at USA Credit Repair to answer your calls, run your credit for free, and let you know whether or not you can be helped. And they have a money-back guarantee that if they can help you and increase your credit within 90 days, they will give you back your money. Unlike the people at Spar Bernstein, if you were to call Spar Bernstein today, the management in Spar Bernstein gave everybody off because they thought it was going to be 20 inches of snow.
Yep.
So anybody who wants legal help.
But we got 20 inches of air.
Yeah, we'll call Spar Bernstein tomorrow. But the telephone number for USA Credit Repair, if you do have a credit problem, I really strongly urge you to call them right now. Please call them if you do have a credit problem because it's a free call, number one. And number two, USA Credit Repair will like us better when we get people to call them.
They will.
And the telephone number is 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-USA-7177. 1-800-872-7177. That's USA Credit Repair. They are our proud sponsors. We're proud to be sponsored by them. And they do a good job getting people's credit up. And if it wasn't for USA Credit Repair, we wouldn't be here.
Yep.
So call them right now, 1-800-872-7177.
Someone said that they heard that they're turning back people with green cards at U.S. ports.
Yeah, people who have criminal records, people who stay out of the country for more than 6 months, people who commit fraud. But if you have a clean record and you have a green card and you want to wait for a few days and coming back, no problem. All right. All right, so let's
Just
clear your
clear my
throat.
throat.
Let's do this person.
1-800-529-5465. Let's go
do
to the radio
443.
lines.
443, you're on the phone.
Hello?
443.
443.
From the right time.
How are you? This is your time to shine, 443.
Your time.
Hey, baby.
Oui. I think he was talking French.
Yeah. I heard the right time.
It's the right time. Oui. And then he goes, oui.
Yeah,
And I don't know if he was saying yes, or he was going to the bathroom.
All right. Don't know what's going on with my internet over here, but there we go. We're back.
We're back. All right, let's go to this line
Your
here.
connection is weak.
This is 860. You're on the line.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, how are you? You calling from Jamaica?
Fine. No.
Oh, what? 860 is not Jamaica?
No, 860 is Connecticut.
No, it's Connecticut.
Oh,
Hartford.
Yeah.
I'm totally screwed up today. My apologies.
Hartford.
All right, hello, Connecticut. How's the snow up there?
Okay.
Oh, by the way, sorry. Someone says they want to speak with Brad off the air. Got to call him tomorrow at 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LawLink. Let me type that in.
How's the snow up there in Connecticut?
It's kind of getting worse.
Worse, really?
Really?
It's still snowing, yeah.
Really? In New York, it's like
It's white outside.
in New York, it's
white outside?
In New York, it's just like
Yeah.
it's almost like a rain.
Wow.
It's almost like raining now. All right, so what's your question?
So I came here on a student visa, but I didn't get to go to school because the person that took me, I didn't finish the paperwork. And it's expired now, but I want to know, can I get status
How long have you been here?
from 2009?
All right, so you haven't been in school in 7 years now.
No.
All right, so you're not going to get back into student status now. But what you can do is you can get sponsored in a job. You can get sponsored by family. Because you came here on a student visa, you have a lot of options.
Okay.
Are you working?
Does it have to be?
Are you working?
Not right now.
How do you support yourself?
I work under the table.
All right, so you're working. What do you do?
I'm a CNA. I went to school for a CNA.
All right, so maybe your private job wants to sponsor you as a CNA. I mean, you can get sponsored in a job. That's what you would need to do, or through family.
Well, she has options, right?
She has options,
Because,
and she needs to make an appointment to come see us. Hold on.
If there's anything you want, if you're going to overstay, you're going to fall into any overstay, the F1.
Why am I saying hold on? There's nobody to hold on to. Wait, come back to me, please, here. There's nobody to hold on to.
Oh, really?
Just call us tomorrow, okay? I'm
Okay,
totally
thank
confused.
you.
All right. I'm like, hold on. Well, she's holding on forever. I'll hold on till 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
It's a habit. You know that, right?
Yeah, I've been doing that for 20 years.
Yep. 1-800-529-5465. Brad Bernstein answering your questions on this
Yes.
snowy day.
Yes. At least in downtown Manhattan, it's not very snowy.
No, it's not.
No.
Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed.
I'm disappointed, too.
You know,
I'm disappointed in the
I was
fate.
excited that we're gonna get all that snow, but can't.
Somebody realized it was trading places.
Oh, someone did.
Yeah. Just one person.
Wow.
That was it.
Wallace Thomas said, answer the thing, no squeeze. All right, Wallace, I got to scroll. Okay. Are they turning back Jamaicans with green card in the U.S. on re-entry? Well, Brad's about to answer. Are they, Brad?
No.
Okay.
Are you the guy who disabled an unmarked police car with a banana? Just curious.
No, they're not turning back people with green cards on U.S. entry, all right? Unless you've got criminal records, they'll
I'm just going to
put
use
you in
every
deportation.
Eddie Murphy line that could come
Yeah,
into my
you
head
remember
today.
that?
Yeah.
48 hours.
No, not 48 hours. Beverly Hills Cop.
Oh, Beverly Hills Cop. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, 48
Yeah,
hours.
that was funny.
48
Yeah.
hours is when he goes, Roxanne!
Yeah.
You don't have to put out the red light.
Oh, man. 1-800-529-5465. Okay, can a husband file for stepkids and how long it take?
If you married before they were 18 and they're under 21 a year.
Can a green card holder file for his wife?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, let's go to here. Hello, 718.
Hello.
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 How are you guys?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
You want to know why? Because we're sitting in empty offices here at Spar Bernstein today.
Due to the
Due to the
non-snowstorm.
non-snowy snow day.
The fact that you're in the office, it means it's not empty.
That's
Oh, they got a good point there.
Aha!
She fits right in
Yes,
here.
we just got shot right across
We just
the bow.
got shelled.
Yes. Hit the deck.
This is Carmen. I'm calling.
Carmen, what's up?
I'm calling for a friend. She is in Jamaica. She's having difficulty getting you guys. So I'm calling on behalf of her.
I hope she's listening.
Oh, we got to give her that 2.
Yes, I think she's listening. Okay. Her mother filed for her in 2010. The procedure is not finalized as yet, but the mom is in a nursing home. She wants to know, can she get her brother attached to the filing paper?
Yes, the brother can give a second affidavit of support, and God forbid anything happens to the mother, the brother can step in and can do a humanitarian waiver for her to finish up the case.
Mm-hmm.
So how does she go about doing that?
Well, you don't do it yet because the mother's alive. But right now, if the mother can't give an affidavit of support, then the brother would step in. I think someone needs to call us to see exactly where they are in the case, so I would have to then say what we would need the brother to do.
I'm trying to see if I understand what you're saying.
What I'm saying this is what I'm saying. The mother needs to give an affidavit of support. She's in a nursing home. She's obviously not working. So the brother's going to give an affidavit of support on behalf of the mother, even though the mother still has to sign an affidavit of support. Now, God forbid anything happens to the mother, then the brother can step in and replace the mother as the sponsor and file a humanitarian waiver. But the mother's alive right now. So right now, the only thing we need from the brother is an affidavit of support. Where we are in the process, I don't know where we are. So I'm not sure what I should be telling the brother to do.
All
That's
right.
why we need a consultation.
I don't know if I made myself clear. She wants to put the brother on the filing.
She wants the brother to get a green card?
Yes.
No, there's no such thing as put brother on filing for me. You can't add brothers. No, okay. I thought the brother was here. No, no putting brothers on.
Okay.
No such thing. The mother would have to file separately for the brother.
If the brother was here, if the brother is here, you know. The brother is here.
One second. Stop. There's an application by a mother for that mother's daughter. That has nothing to do with the brother who's also out of status. The brother has to independently look to get a green card, either by the mother filing or some other way.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, so since the mother is not able to do that now in her condition, what happens to the brother? He has to find some other way to do it on his own?
Correct.
Okay. All right.
Correcto.
Okay.
Brother needs an appointment. The brother needs an appointment with a good lawyer. That's what the brother needs.
Okay. All right. Thanks much.
All right.
Yeah, Brad wouldn't get this one, folks. But me, there's a snowstorm a come. Me. There's a meme going on around, but you wouldn't understand that one.
I don't get it.
Of course you would.
I don't even understand Periscope. I'm not disappointed. I don't like snow. Well, then you are disappointed because you don't like snow, or I'm not disappointed because I like snow.
It's none of the above.
None of the above.
None of the above. All right?
I don't know what that person is saying.
Me, there's a snowstorm now come. Yeah, hell of a snowstorm. Anyway, so Brad, I think you should ask some questions from your social media, man.
All right.
How long does it take for a person with citizenship to file for their sibling over 21 years of age?
12 years.
Okay.
All right, so we got Mel who says good afternoon. Venice says good afternoon. Mel can't hear me, but now she can. Unique says, hey guys, back again. Kay says, loud and clear from Dallas. Kimberly says, yeah, but where I am, no sound. Kay says, 50 degrees in Dallas, not bad. Ha, ha, ha. Screw you, Kay. Diana says, hi from Jamaica. Hey guys, 12 o'clock comes around really quick. I'm sharing. Thank you very much, Unique.
Share.
Javelle says, good day. Javelle says, I am back, and Jamaica is in the building.
Always.
Very good.
Fiction.
Vivian says, good day. Javelle says, Jamaica Avenue, it's locked.
Okay, locked,
meaning
that they're listening.
They're listening.
Yeah.
All right, and Antoinette from Atlanta's checking in. She has not professed her love for SMG today for this afternoon as yet, but I'm waiting to hear that.
And it will happen.
It will happen.
I kid you not.
Javelle is sharing. Mel Marsh says, hey guys, I have a friend who is a DACA recipient, and she just got married to a U.S. citizen. How should she proceed to get her green card? Well, the U.S. citizen has to file for her. If she doesn't make a legal entry, then, we'd like to see if she would be eligible for advanced parole to be able to travel out, come back, make the legal entry, and then do the adjustment. If not, then we're going to do a provisional waiver. But she's going to need some help with a lawyer.
Okay. My friend have his green card 5 years now.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, you're not done.
Tiffany says, hey, guys, I missed you this morning. We missed you, Tiffany.
Yeah, we were here.
Carol Anderson, the Tiger. She must watch on both. She
Yeah,
has a
she
split
does.
screen.
Yeah.
Or she has two screens up.
Two browsers.
Two browsers. Good afternoon to you and Brad. Mel shared. Wesley says, when filing an N-400 based on a divorce over 5 years, what documents should be included? Your divorce and your green card. All right.
All right. Okay.
I'll let you go, and then I have a good place where I stop, so I know where to pick up.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So my friend have his green card 5 years now. How long to get the citizenship? It's more like almost 5 years
About
and
6
3
to-
more
About
months.
6 to 9 months to file for citizenship.
Okay, if you married and filed for your child soon, that will soon turn 15. How long it takes?
About a year.
Okay. When a U.S. citizen filed for his wife and child, how long does it take for them to be in the U.S.?
About a year if the child's under 21.
I lost my passport with my U.S. visa. How do I go about getting one? That one is easy, but go ahead, Brad.
Go to the Jamaican consulate.
All right.
Or, well, I don't know. Are you Jamaican? Maybe I just assumed Jamaica. Maybe I shouldn't assume that.
Yeah, you shouldn't assume. 'cause
Right.
We have all
Right. So
different.
go to your country's consulate. You got to go apply for a new passport.
And then go to the U.S. Embassy to get a visa back in it.
Correct.
Okay. So.
Right. Unless they're here in the United States, then they don't need the visa. I don't know where they are.
Right. That's true. What if your arrest happened before you got the green card?
Then you may need a waiver, unless it's a petty offense.
All right. No problem. You can jump in whenever you want.
Oh,
to.
okay. I'm back here.
'Cause
Okay.
I got more.
I got more too here. Leela! So my friend filed through his employer over 9 years ago. She got a work approval. However, when his appointment date was here 8 years ago, his attorneys told him he was out of status. Is there anything he can do? He has American citizen kids. Is there anything he can do? So he got sponsored a job. He was out of status, and I guess he was not 245I. So he couldn't adjust here, and if he went home, he had a 10-year bar. Unless his parents are here, then he can do a provisional waiver. But short of that, unfortunately, no. Kimberly wants to know, Patrick Stewart and 3 other people just shared, so I thank you very much. I appreciate it, Patrick, and the 3 others who just shared. And Charmaine Gooden and 4 other people also just shared. I appreciate that.
I will really appreciate
Thank
the
you.
sharing.
Kimberly says, I don't want to sound bad, but
Number 1.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kimberly says, I don't want to sound bad, but I told my friend about you, and she started a case with you guys, and now mail her information to your office, but got no response from your office. She called her lawyer, but she's not getting a call back. I'm not sure, Kimberly, what's going on, but what you can do is send an instant message through Facebook.
Yep.
Tell us who your friend is
Do that tomorrow.
and her name, and we will straighten it out. That I can assure you. And if not, then call tomorrow, Rosanna. She's head of customer service, client service relations, and she will straighten it out. I'm not sure what's going on, but we'll figure it out.
Okay.
Antoinette says, I'm sure he does.
That's
We were talking about Antoinette before, but I forgot what we were
SMG.
talking about. SMG.
Professing her love. Okay.
Dawn says, SMG, I think they miss your company. Nah. Javelle, no. How do I apply for a job sponsorship? Well, a job sponsorship is an offer of employment, so you got to get somebody to offer you a job first, and then we go from there.
By the way, Leroy, register a standby. We're coming to you, all right? We're just wrapping up these
I have
social
no
media.
idea what this means. You would need an ETA for Canada if you only have a green card in your passport. I guess that's some sort of something or other to get into Canada. I'm not a Canadian resident. Please share it. Please like us. Please love us. Javelle, Antoinette, thank you. Oh, wow, Antoinette now is professing her love to SMG.
I told you. It's gonna
Here
happen.
it is. Yes, I love SMG. I am a big supporter of young adult males when I see them doing productive things in the community.
What about
I'm
young?
already spoken for, though.
Oh.
I'm sure SMG will be fine with someone if he hasn't found that special person yet.
China.
All the best of your studies, SMG. Antoinette, that was very, very lovely.
Sweet of you.
Okay, but if for whatever reason
Mm-hmm.
things were, I'm not breaking up your marriage.
No,
but if,
we would never do that.
But if things don't work out, let us know. We'll get SMG to Atlanta Fest.
Absolutely.
All right. Angela James and 7 other people shared as well. Do you want to go to the phones?
Yeah, let's take Leroy. Now we'll come back.
Leroy, what's up?
We think it's Leroy. 718 number.
I don't know
Hello.
who this is.
Hello.
Hello. This is what happens when we have no engineer.
Hello.
Hello.
It's your turn.
Hello.
718-231.
All right, got it. All right, let's go back to this. Kirk Riley.
All right.
You want to go or you want me to go?
Okay, go on.
All right. Kirk Riley says, if you came here on a visa and you have been married for 3 years, how long will it take to get a green card after filing? You came here. well, I got to do everything here. If you're on a visa,
Multitask, dude.
and been married for 3 years, it takes about 6-9 months. How do you apply for? Again, you need a job offer. Then you got to file a perm application, prove you're not taking a job away from an American worker. It's a complicated case, but get the job offer first.
Okay.
Marva says, not so good with the weather reporter. They always get it wrong.
They always get it wrong.
Yeah. Unique says, page 21, Brad. Done. Right? Didn't we do page 21 already?
No.
Oh. 1-800-872-7177, USA Credit Repair. Here for you today. We did it already.
No, we didn't.
Could have sworn we did it.
This morning.
We didn't do it today?
No.
1-800-872-71. Yes, I did because I said you're making me crazy. Because we talked about how USA Credit Repair people are there
Jamaica
at the office.
me crazy.
Yeah, what? He's making me crazy. I'm like, wow, we didn't do it. 1-800-872. Yeah, I did. 1-800-872-7177. All right, let's go to 718 again. Hello.
By the way, we love you guys for tuning in. Okay, let's go to the 718 person. Hello. One of them at least. Hello.
718.
It's your turn. If you're not speaking, it's your turn.
All right. This is it. You're listening on the radio right now.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to go to the phone. If you're on hold on the radio, this is the rule. Listen to your phone, not the radio. There's about a 15-second delay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go to somebody with a 718 number right now. If you have a 718 number, please listen to your phone, not the radio.
Especially if it starts with a 231 after the 718. All right?
All right, you ready?
Let's go.
718, you're on.
Yes.
Very good.
We got him.
All right, what's up?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. I applied for my citizenship in July of last year.
Yes.
And I haven't gotten any notice or anything. I did my fingerprints and everything. Now what happened is I checked my status online and I saw where they posted it the 21st of last month. I have gotten the notice letter and the address on the notice online. It's the wrong address. So I don't know what to do.
They're sending you notices to the wrong address? Is that what you're saying?
No, the notice letter for the interview. I haven't gotten it.
And they sent it to the wrong address?
I haven't gotten it, but online I checked the status.
And it says it was sent?
Yes.
All right,
and online it also has the wrong address.
All right, call me tomorrow morning, make an appointment to come see me, and we'll get that straightened out for you.
Okay, thanks.
All right. 1-800. By the way, you got the number? Repeat the number.
1-800-529-5465.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Thank you.
You're right.
All right, let's go to this caller here. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, how are you?
Good afternoon.
I'm fine. Good afternoon. I'm sorry. Good afternoon.
How are you?
Just a quick question. I'm fine. How are you?
Fabulous.
Very good. Just a quick question, please. My daughter-in-law came here when she was 10 years old to the United States. Is she protected under what is called a DACA law?
Right.
Okay.
You're asking me, is she under DACA?
Yes, I'm asking you.
Oh, well, she had to be here prior to June 15th, 2007. Was she here prior to June 15th, 2007?
Yes, she was.
And was she under 31 years old on June 15th, 2012?
Yes.
Okay, and she graduated high school or can get into a GED program. She's in DACA, absolutely.
Yes, she finished with her GED.
Okay.
Okay, so I can...
call this same number tomorrow, make an appointment, we'll get her into the DACA program.
Okay.
All right, but she's in it. All right, she's
all right, thanks very much.
Nobody knows about it yet, but she's in it. Okay, we're going to let everybody know soon. She'll get a work permit. Okay.
Okay, thanks very much.
All right. Once again, reminding you all to share, folks. Once again, you're tuned into 93.5 WVIP if you're listening to your radio and beyond. And also, of course, on social media. We're on Facebook. My name is David Squeeze Annakie, and that's my Facebook name. Got Brad Bernstein, and his Facebook name is Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. On YouTube, it's the same, Law Offices of Spar Bernstein. On Periscope, it's Spar Bernstein.
And by the way, I have Leela Blach.
Mm-hmm.
She has now put this question in caps.
Okay.
Please answer me.
She's yelling.
She's yelling at me. Then she goes, hee, 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 hee. All right, so let me read the question. I have no idea what she's asking. Let's see. My friend files through his employer over 9 years ago. He got his work authorization when his appointment date was up. His attorneys called to say when he filed, he was out of status. He was a young American citizen kid. Is there? Oh, didn't we answer this already?
I thought we did.
Yeah, this was. He's not obviously 245I, but so unless he has parents here who are in legal status, he can do a provisional waiver. He's got to be 245I, one or the other, or a spouse who's a resident, maybe. Lyndon Smith says, "Good afternoon. Is there any way where an American citizen child file for her mom, who is in Barbados on a 10-year ban?" You can file, but hopefully it's more than 10 years. And if it's a 10-year ban, it's either if she overstayed her time, that's one thing. If she's on a 10-year ban because of a deportation, that's another. So we gotta figure out what the ban was for. Carol, I'm behind in the times. Brad used to say that all the time. What I used to say all the time, Carol is asking. I'm not sure. Carol, the time.
I know I used to say plush, peace, love, unity, strength, and harmony. And we say plush to everybody.
I filed for my daughter when she was 21, but a week before the interview, she had turned 22, and they refused her for a green card. Yeah, because she aged out. So now she's on a waiting list again, depending on when you filed for her. Can a sister file for a brother, but it's a longer? Yes. What's the telephone number? 1-800-529-5465. How long does it take for a green card holder to file for a spouse? About 2 years. If a citizen files for their child who is 22, how long will it take? 7 to 8 years if they are single. Javelle Finklin thinks SMG is the real boss.
He may be.
And he's taking over for his dad.
Yep, you never know.
And Misha Boo, Antoinette thinks I'm funny. Thank you. Love Antoinette down in Atlanta. If you're traveling by air, you need an ETA. I guess that's something to enter Canada. I don't know anything about Canada immigration, but I guess that's what it is. How long would it take for a green card holder to file for his wife? His wife is here in the U.S. 2 years, but if the wife's out of status, we'll need a provisional waiver. And now everyone's saying, don't listen to Squeeze, you did page 21. I'm a little behind here. All right, I got 3 more questions here, Squeeze, and then I'm going to go to your questions, okay?
There you go.
Lisa Brummel asked, my friend is a U.S.-born child. She stayed on her visa, victim of domestic violence. Her lawyer filed a U visa. When she got the receipt saying they received the petition, how long does she have to wait for a work permit? It's 6 months from the time you file the U visa. You can apply for your work permit even if it's not approved yet. The green card's going to be years and years. The approval's going to be years and years because they run out of the 10,000 every year. Mel Marsh asks, my friend is a DACA recipient and just got married to a U.S. citizen. How should she proceed? The U.S. citizen has to file for her. Either do a provisional waiver, adjust here, or see if she's eligible for adjustment, advance parole to travel out, come back. Now she's made a legal entry and then adjust here. She was overstaying the ban, so then she would have to wait the 10 years before when the child wants to file.
Talk about rapid fire. If I married my fiance, here.
I actually like doing it myself.
Yeah, it's much faster.
It's much faster,
yeah.
right?
If I married my fiance here as a green card holder, how long would it take for her to get to work, get a work?
If I married a who and a who?
If I married my fiance, okay, here as a green card holder, how long would it take for her to get work?
Oh, she's not going to get a work permit if you're a green card holder.
Okay.
It's going to be about 2 years, and then eventually, if she's overstayed, she'll need a provisional waiver, go home, come back.
I'm in a situation where I'm in a situation where up their age of 21, my aunt file. You're gonna have to decide for this. File for me, my dad and my uncle. I'm now 23, and my uncle and dad got through. I went to get a visitor's visa, but not say anything to me about filing. Can you tell me?
Well, once you turn 21, you fall off the case, but there is the Child Status Protection Act, so somebody should take a look at that case to see if you could still qualify.
Okay, all right, let's go to the bottom here. How long a green card holder take to get citizenship? How long a green card take to get citizenship?
It's supposed to be 6 months, but it's taking 9.
I live in Florida. I'm a U.S. citizen. Me and my husband and I, let me be correct, my husband and I, who lives in Jamaica, got married last year, June. I filed the paperwork for him in November. How long will it take for him to come here?
Who's a green card holder or a citizen?
I live in Florida. I am the U.S. citizen.
Oh, it should take about a year.
Take about a year. That's it for now.
All right, so let's see what's on Periscope here.
Mm-hmm.
Jana asks, hey, Brad, how long will it take a sister file for sister? It's 10, 12 years. Somebody guessed trading places. Squeeze, this one's for you. Me, I did not say
Exactly.
I don't know what that means.
I did that earlier.
Oh, awesome, Squeeze. Okay,
That's why I
good
said
morning.
it's for me.
Oh, okay. How did we all make it to the office? Let me tell you how we made it to the office.
There was no snow.
There was no snow. All right. And somebody wants to marry your fiance and put a ring on it.
Mm-hmm.
Go for it. All right. We're out of time. The two people on hold, unfortunately, you know what? Why don't we do this?
We got to remind people this is a USA immigration link.
Why don't we remind people this is the USA immigration link?
Mm-hmm.
The two people on hold will continue the show off the radio. We'll continue on social media for about another 5 minutes. We'll take the two people who are on hold.
Mm-hmm.
I do have to remind everybody that tomorrow our office will be open at 9 a.m. Call us tomorrow to make your appointments. We'll be back live also, but if you want to make an appointment to come see us, you got an immigration problem, I do phone consultations all over the galaxy. The United States, North America, the world, the galaxy. If you're in the New York area, you can call us at
1-800-LawLink.
and make an appointment to come see us, and that's 1-800-529-5465. Everybody on social media, stay exactly where you are.
Don't move.
Don't move. We're going to continue.
The show continues on 93.5, though.
The show's going to continue on 93.5,
You
too.
forgot.
That's right.
You see, I know you're like, I'm like, where's his head?
Yeah, the show's going to continue on 93.5.
I'm sorry.
Until we say no.
You know?
Until we say no.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to continue the show on 93.5,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Well, the show continues on 99.
There'll be a 3-minute commercial you'll hear on 93.5, but we're just going to continue anyway.
No, I'm not going to continue. I'm going back to my office.
I will continue anyway. All right, and Zenmar, you stand by. We'll let you know when the show's going to be over. All right.
Everybody must be like, what the hell are they doing?
Yeah, Zenmar is from USA Credit. Too bad, USA Credit.
Page 21.
We'll be like at 103. All right, page 21. Page 21. Page 21. All right, so we're gonna be back in 1 minute on WVIP. We're gonna continue. Prior successful results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. Call Spar Bernstein 1-800-529-5465, and of course, this is brought to you by USA Credit Repair 1-800-872-7177. We'll be back and continue Immigration Link on WVIP. We're just gonna keep going on social media for another few minutes. How's that?
Can I come get an appointment with you today?
No.
Shamika? I know there's no snow outside, but there's no staff here.
Shamika, we got no staff.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so let's go to this call right here. We'll take two more calls. These will be the last two calls we'll take. How's that,
All right,
Squeeze?
no
All right, 347, you're on the radio.
Good afternoon,
Yes.
Brad and Squeeze.
How are you?
Good afternoon.
I want to come to you guys to file for my husband. I'm a green card holder, and I also want to put in for my citizenship too. What should I bring?
Bring your green card, bring your passport that you use to travel, bring your marriage certificate, bring your husband's birth certificate, and if either one of you have been married or divorced in the past, bring the divorce decrees or death certificates of prior spouses.
And what is the cost? What's the cost for the filing for my husband? How much?
The filing fee for the I-130 is $535.
And for the
citizenship is $725. So just so you understand, before you even hire an attorney, you've got to pay a filing fee of $725 to immigration for your citizenship, and you're about what is that, $1,200 and something into it already, just
somewhere thereabouts.
Yeah. All right.
Could you repeat what you said? Could you repeat in the last?